बाहर की दुनिया के लिए सुचारिता का परिवार एक छोटा, खुशहाल परिवार दिखता था। लेकिन बंद दरवाजों के पीछे की सच्चाई अलग थी। सुचारिता के पिता ने 14 वर्ष की सुचारिता और उनकी मां के लिए एक कड़ी रेखा खींच रखी थी।
My childhood was very rough. My father was very strict and controlling. He never allowed me, my mom, to go out of the house. Even though my friends can come to my home and they can play, but I cannot go outside and play. My dad, even for my admissions in the school, he didn't bother about that.
सुचारिता के लिए अपने पिता के साथ रहना हर पल डर के साए में जीने जैसा था। जल्द ही भारतीय रेलवे में कार्यरत सुचारिता के पिता का तबादला एक दूसरे शहर में हो गया। जब परिवार अपना सामान समेटने लगा, तब सुचारिता को अंदाजा नहीं था कि वह अपने अकेलेपन और कैद जैसी जिंदगी को भी समेटकर पीछे छोड़ रही है।
We went to Vijayawada because of my dad's transfer. There we took a house for rent, and the landlord's daughter, she took me to a fellowship, the kids fellowship. So first time I saw a kids fellowship and all the kids singing and praising, and it was very good for me. I never felt such experience before.
अगले रविवार भी उसके पिता घर पर नहीं थे, जिससे सुचारिता को संगति में जाने का एक और मौका मिल गया। घर से बाहर रखा गया सुचारिता का यह कदम उसकी एक नई शुरुआत की ओर बढ़ाया गया कदम बन गया।
When I went to the fellowship and when the pastor was delivering his speech, I was for the first time I heard about Jesus. For me, for the first time, I heard that Jesus died for my sins, and it was like I was so shocked to hear that He died for my sins. I don't know why, like when the pastor was explaining that, it touched my heart. One sentence which touched my heart was, if you lack Father's love in your life, He is there to give you Father's love. Because I lack that fatherly love in my life, and I have no siblings also. So he even mentioned that if you don't have a sisterly or brotherly love, and He is there to give you that love. So these two things touched my heart, and I don't know how, like the tears rolled down and I was crying in that place.
परमेश्वर के प्रेम को पाकर सब कुछ बदल गया। जो सुचारिता कभी पिता के भय में जीती थी, वही आज साहसी बन गई। उसका हृदय उसी पिता के लिए प्रेम से भर गया जिससे वह कभी कांपती थी, और सुचारिता ने अपने पिता के लिए प्रार्थना करना शुरू किया।
I don't know how to pray also. I asked, Lord, if you are the real God, can you please change my dad? That's all I know. I used to ask for blessings for my parents and my studies, and this is the only one I emphasize. Lord, can you please change my dad, my father? As the days go by, gradually, like He watched me, like I used to pray and I used to go to the fellowships and all other meetings, and I used to read Bible. Even in my dad's life, God intervened, and by the time he lost everything, all the property, whatever he has, we lost everything. He became lonely. So in those days, I think God has touched his heart, and after that he became the best dad. Now he is completely, totally like a changed person.
एक ऐसी लड़की जो कभी खुद को अनदेखा महसूस करती थी, उसे स्वर्गीय पिता का प्रेम मिला। उस प्रेम में दिल बदल गए, दीवारें टूट गईं, और एक परिवार एक दूसरे के करीब आ गया।